Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can delete extra pages in Control Center in your iPhone. So guys, if you have just upgraded your iPhone to the new iOS 18 and you don't know how to delete extra pages in Control Center, then this video is for you. So let's get right into it. So all you need to do is just go ahead and look at the top right corner over here and just swipe it downwards through here and you can open your Control Center right here. So guys, look at the top left corner and tap on this plus sign, and once you do so, now you can edit Control Center. So swipe down and select the page that you want to delete. So let's say you want to delete this. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this minus option over here, which is at the top left corner. So once you tap there, this will automatically delete this page. So once you go there, you can see that there's no control over here and it's empty. You can also choose to add a control. Just go ahead and tap it and use a size, and there you go. And if you want to delete it again, tap on this minus sign and you can see it has been erased again and you have deleted a page. So guys, that's how you delete extra pages in Control Center in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.